Hello, today I'm going to show you how we are going to do a back massage in our in in your home, and for that purpose I'm going to use organic virgin coconut oil. As well, I'm going to use chamomile and frankincense and lavender essential oils. But I'm going first to start the massage with some Himalayan Salt Rock Stones, which I have preheated first on my central heating on my radiator, so I have them as a bowl, in a bowl shape. What I'm going to do is first I'm just going to take a bit of the oil. That's my lovely client, and as the massage is going to be done in a home environment, I'm just using the bedroom. So the client is relaxed, he's lying comfortably, and we have put a pillow under his chest, just one, and another pillow here under the forehead so he can breathe freely with his nose. For a bigger comfort, I would advise you to put 2 or 3 pillows under the chest if they feel comfortable. So there is a little towel just to keep our client or partner safe. So as you can see, I first just warm up the oil, and after that I'm just going to start applying it. It's going to be more on the upper back because in this case my partner, he's complaining of neck and shoulder pain. So it's just a very fast 10 minutes, can be done every evening or 2-3 times in the week, or just whenever it's requested. Just going to I just use coconut oil. Now I'm going to use a bit of a coconut oil with just a drop of each oil. I just opened them. I just applied the coconut oil on my hand. I'm going to put a drop of chamomile, a drop of frankincense, and even I'm not going to use the lavender today. The chamomile is really good if you have inflammation or headache, or just to boost the immunity, while the frankincense is one of my favorite oils. It's one of the most powerful oils because it can penetrate deeply into the brain. It's the only oil actually that can go and pass the cells of our brain and the membrane. So I'm going just to apply nicely the oil. Just going to go a little bit deeper in my forearm. So for that I'm using just the soft front. Now I'm going to take my warm salts and just will oil them. It will start. They're like hot stones. So just gently, not a lot of pressure, just will glide them on the skin. Now I can go a little bit deeper here because I can feel some tension on that side particular. The rock salts are set as well to help with removing of the toxins and just aiding relaxation and increasing your joint mobility. So they are great for home massage or just anywhere in your handbag. They are nice and warm. They shouldn't be hot, so you cannot touch them. You should be able to hold them in your hand. Just a little bit around the scapula. And here, I'll dig a little bit more gentle here. That side, around the neck. Now I'm going to come this side. Just again around the balls, around the scapula. Gentle. And here around the neck. It's very easy massage. And you can, that's really good because you can, is that painful or is it okay? Okay?
More tense on this side.
Pain on this side.
Tense.
Tense, okay. There's some tension. Just going to go a little bit deeper. Now a little bit around the vertebrae, just the nervous system. And I will go and put my balls again back on the radiator because the heating is switched off so they can heat up again. In that time I will keep going with the hands. As I'm trained in something called no hand, I'll just show you a little movement. Around the scapula, is that okay? I'm going to go a little bit this side as well. Okay, now I'll go on the other side. Just like that. And just weaken slightly. Out again, the hands back. Just scoop. Always he said he has pain here. I'm going to work this area a little bit just to see what's going on. I'm very gentle, just gliding and feeling the place. You have to always be very gentle just to feel the place, see where is the discomfort or the tension before you go deeper. And it's not necessary to hurt the client. It needs to be, they say it's a good pain if you give him pain, just like a pleasure pain. Because we don't want to remove one pain and to introduce another one. The purpose of the massage is to relax and help us heal ourselves instead of to add more discomfort. Just see the tension here. It's a bit deeper now. I around the scapula. Do the same on the other side. I think my balls are ready again, so I'll go and grab them. Yes, they're ready again. So it's a really good massage. You can just do it, even usually we do the massage seated on a chair, but I just decided, because the kids have occupied downstairs, so I decided to do it here, more comfortable as well. Okay, I'll leave them again to heat up. Just want to show you closer. So they're like balls, exactly, rocks on balls. And I'm going to do a bit of effleurage and just finish. You can do the massage as longer as you want. You can go as deeper as you want. Just this is something basic that I wanted to show you. Just go on the scalp. Points. Just wash that head. Shampoo it. And we will just finish with nice effleurage and gentle moves. Just pull slightly gentle, rocking. To cover our client, just to stay warm and nice, peaceful. I would like to thank you for watching, and in case you would like to order some of those nice rock soles, just get in contact with me, message me, or find me on my Facebook group or page, which is Beautiful Healthy Me. And any questions about the essential oils or anything else, please do message me as well, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Just click the button with my beautiful face over there, and I'll see you again soon. Yeah, watch for the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye.